Hi everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's kitchen. I am blessed. I hope everyone is blessed. And y'all hoping everyone is having a happy day and a blessed day today. I have some chicken that I have cut up, and I have some, I have some croissants here that I'm gonna make dumplings out of. I was gonna do it out of the biscuits, but I had the croissants in there. I need to get rid of them, so I'll cut up some chicken that I have left from the rotisserie chicken. And so I've already got 1 can of cream of chicken soup in there. And I'm gonna be putting the other can in there. Cream of chicken soup, okay. Letting it come to a boil. And then I will, let me read my scripture first, and come back to that while it's trying to get ready to boil. So, he who keepeth commandments keepeth his soul, but he who careless of his ways will die. Proverbs 19 and 18. Now therefore, if you will indeed obey my voice, keep my commandment, and then you should keep my covenant, then you shall say a special treasure to me above all people, for all the earth is mine. Exodus 19 and 5. Thank you all for me reading the scripture, and I hope this will help someone one day, anytime. Maybe not today or tomorrow, maybe next year. You'll think about this, a scripture that you might would need. So may God bless you for the day. And I'm cutting up the rest of this chicken in little small bites, and then I'm gonna pour it into my pot where I have 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, and just my regular ingredients. I have all of it in one container now, which is my everything is in here.
Complete garlic powder, black pepper and onion powder, complete seasoning. And y'all, this is, if you want, Miss Lena's has a cookbook out now, and she do have a chicken and dumpling recipe in her book. And if you want her book, go to MissLena'sKitchen.com and you can get her book, y'all. The ebook is $19.99. The softback is $34.99, and the hardback is $45.99. So that's her cookbook, y'all. So anyone wants to buy it, please feel free to go MissLena'sKitchen.com. Okay, back to the video.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to be dropping the chicken off in here. I was just trying to make it a little bit smaller, because I had some pieces that were a little bit larger, and I was just trying to cut it down to smaller pieces in the dumpling. So, okay. I also only have 1 can of croissants in here. Normally I would put biscuits in them, but I wanted to use the can of croissants, so I'm pouring the chicken in. Okay.
And she's using Costco rotisserie chicken.
Rotisserie, yeah. Rotisserie chicken. All right, so now, okay, I'm gonna let that come to a full boil. See, do I have some more spoons? Oh, yes, I do. Okay, you are. I'm going to pour some more white pepper in.
Okay, y'all, this is the croissant she's cutting up.
add just a little bit more water to it, so I have enough juice to consume the dumplings after I get them out cut. So I'm cutting them.
Y'all don't forget to like and comment on the video and the hype if you want to hype it up, y'all. And liking is free, so please like the video, y'all. Help YouTube to push Granny's videos out. So please like the video. We appreciate it. We appreciate it.
Yes, we will. Because we have had a lot of days off this year rather. And we haven't been on every day. So I need as many comments and likes as possible. And I would appreciate it so much. Y'all, I'm putting a cup of peas and carrots in. It should be ready a little bit, so. You put it up to 200, so. The peas and carrots and stuff in them, and I'm going to try to get this in a bowl where you all can see them. I don't finish, you said. I need to get one of them big dippers. Dip it in there.
Yeah.
All right, so. Yeah. Everyone, this is my final presentation of my chicken and dumplings, which I said these were made out of croissants, and the dumplings were made out of croissants. Okay. All right, so y'all can see now what it's like. Okay, and I only put in here cream of chicken soup and chicken, the regular chicken broth, and then in my regular seasoning, which I have all three seasonings in one thing.
She got black pepper
and white
complete
pepper
seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. She would also put some white pepper in there.
Yeah. So whatever you want to use, you can. So this was a simple way. Yes, I had this. What is it? Rotisserie chicken in there. So I was using it with the rotisserie chicken that I had left. Okay. All right, you all. I hope you all will try this. This is just a short one-pot meal, and it doesn't take you maybe about 30 minutes to fix it all together if you do the rotisserie chicken. But if you have some chicken left over or whatever you have left over, you can make it the chicken and dumplings, and it would go a long ways. So thank you so much, and y'all have a blessed day. This is from Miss Lena. I want me to taste it. All right. Can you get this out of the way?
Okay, y'all. All right.
Okay. So I thank you all. So I was just going to get down because it's so hot to do a whole lot. So I just did this little bit. So I thank you so much. And right now it's a little bit, the bowl is a little bit too hot to for me to try to eat it. So I want you all to try it. But I have did this before. Just to go a quick meal, and that's what it will be. You can have your vegetables, your meat, and your proteins and whatever.
You can always put more vegetables in there, y'all. You can add, if you want more thickness to, you can always add less. You can put 1 can of soup in there instead of 2. You can add more vegetables.
Yeah, and you can also add cream of celery soup if you like also. That makes it really delicious, but I had some, but I didn't. There's no one here to eat all this today, so we're just getting for a short amount. So thank you so much. With all my love, it's Miss Lena's Kitchen. Chicken and dumplings with the peas and carrots in it. And I will see you in the next video. May God bless you all. Have a blessed day. And don't forget to subscribe, hype, and like, and share with someone else. And I will appreciate it. Don't forget, when you watch further videos and go into the in place and try to watch for my new cookbook.
Yeah, the cookbook, the cookbook will be in the description box. It's below the description below. And again, y'all, it's at MissLena'sKitchen.com. MissLena'sKitchen.com. All right, thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Goodbye now. To see you in the next video. Bye bye.